In the first question, in given that in triangle ABC angle B 90 degrees and AB 24 centimeters, BC 7 centimeters. So find sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. So these are given. Okay. Here we find first here AC value. What is the AC value here? Find the AC value. Here one side is 24 centimeters, another side is 10. Here AC means hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, how to find it? Here using the Pythagoras formula. Here Pythagoras formula, A square equal to AB square plus BC square. Here I use Pythagoras formula. So this is the hypotenuse square equals side square plus side square. Right? So this is the hypotenuse formula. So AC square, so 24 square plus 7 square. Here 24 square means 676 plus 49. So add these two values, 625, 576. Now add these two values, 525. Therefore, this is AC square value. Therefore, AC equal to, so here AC square equal to 25 square. 625 means 25 square. Therefore, AC equal to 25 centimeters. So this value is 25 centimeters. Now, with respect to A, what is the sin A value? What is the sin value? With respect to A, this is opposite there, this is hypotenuse. This is opposite. That means 7 by 25. With respect to A, sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse, 7 by 25. Cos A with respect to A, so adjacent by hypotenuse, 24 by 25. With respect to C, sin C formula, sin C opposite by hypotenuse, 24 by 25. With respect to C, cos A, cos here sin C means sin C opposite by hypotenuse, cos C adjacent by hypotenuse, that means 7 by 25. So these are values. This is the first one solution. Second question. In this second question, given that in triangle PQR, angle Q 90 degrees, PQ given 12 centimeters, PR 13 centimeters given. So find the value of tan P minus cot R equal to question mark. What is the answer? This is the answer. What is the answer? Here we apply the Pythagoras formula for this right angle triangle. So Pythagoras formula, from the Pythagoras formula, Pythagoras theory. From the Pythagoras theory, so PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Here PR square means 13 square, PQ square 12 square, QR square. So 13 square means 169, 14 square means 144, 12 square means 144 plus QR square. Therefore, QR square equal to 169 minus 144. So we get 25. QR square equal 25. Therefore, QR equal to, so here 25 means 5 square. Therefore, square cancel, 5 centimeters. So here QR is 5 centimeters. Now apply these values for this one. So here tan P, with respect to P, tan value opposite by adjacent, 5 by 12 minus cot R with respect to R, cot R value opposite by, cot means cot value opposite chord value adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent side by opposite side. So 5 by 12. Therefore 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. So this answer is 0. Note that. Here third question. Here given that sin A equal 3 by 4, triangle ABC right angle triangle at B equal to 90 degrees. Here find the cos A value, tan A value. Find the cos A and tan A value. Here sin A given. That means here sin A means opposite side by. With respect to A, here opposite side by adjacent side. So 3 by 4 means opposite by adjacent. Sin A formula opposite side by adjacent. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side by adjacent hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So that means here 3, 4 means here this is 3x, this is 4x. So with respect to A, sin A opposite by hypotenuse. Here it is a fraction, 3 by 4 is a fraction. If you split the fraction, we attach one variable, multiply with variable. Here 3x by 4x. Okay, here 3x, 4x. Now here apply, we write Pythagoras formula for AB. For AB, Pythagoras formula. Here AC square from the Pythagoras formula, AC square, AB square plus BC square. From the Pythagoras formula, so here AC means 4x square, AB means, that's we find. So BC here 3x square. So 16x square, AB square equal plus 9x square. So this value should be said 16x square minus 9x square equal to AB square. So here 16 minus 9, 17x x square equal to AB square. Therefore AB value root 17x. Root 17x. Here AB value. Now come to this point. With respect to A, cos A formula adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent value is root 17. Root 17x by hypotenuse 4x. Therefore x cancel. Answer is root 17 by 4 answer. Cos A. Next tan A opposite side by adjacent side. That means 3x by root 17x. Therefore x cancel. Answer is 3 by root 17. So this is cos A value root 17 by 4. Tan A value 3 by root 17. This is the solution. In this fourth question, given that 15 cot A equal to 8 in right angle triangle ABC, angle B 90 degrees, and cot A 15 cot A equal to 8 given. So this is the convert into our form cot A equal to 8 by 15. This means cot A equal to 58 by 15. So here cot A means cot A with respect to A. Cot A means adjacent side by opposite. So 15 units, 8 units. 15 units, 8 units. Or multiply with any variable. So here let's say it is 15x, let's say it's x. So here what is the value of sin A and secant A? So here same, using the Pythagoras formula, here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB means here 8x square. So 15 square. So 64x square plus 225x square. Therefore here 64 plus 25, 9, 8, 2. So answer is 287 x square. Therefore, AC square equal to, here 289 x square means 17 x square x square. Therefore, here this AC value 17 x units. Here 17x. Now what is the formula for sin A? Opposite side with respect to A, sin A opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite 15x by hypotenuse 17x. Therefore 15 by 17 is the answer. Sin A value 15 by 17. Secant A value, secant A means secant A value formula here hypotenuse by adjacent. So here 17x by hypotenuse by adjacent 8x. Therefore 17 by 8. Secant A value 17 by 8. This is the answer. Note that.